Are you ready to challenge everything you thought you knew about nutrition? Here are 7 common misconceptions about vegan gains. Myth 1. Vegans don't get enough protein. False. Plant-based foods like beans, lentils, and tofu are protein powerhouses. Myth 2. You can't build muscle on a vegan diet. Many vegan athletes have proved otherwise. Myth 3. Vegan diets lack essential nutrients. Properly planned vegan diets can provide all necessary nutrients. Myth 4. Plant-based foods are boring. Far from it. There's a world of exciting vegan recipes out there. Myth 5. Veganism is expensive. Not necessarily. Beans, rice, and vegetables are budget-friendly staples. Myth 6. Plants don't provide complete proteins. Actually, when you eat a variety of plant foods, you get all the essential amino acids. Myth 7. Vegan diets are deficient in vitamin B12. While true that B12 can be a concern, many vegans take supplements to cover this base. Let's dive deeper into the world of vegan gains and explore the top 5 foods that can supercharge your plant-powered journey to strength and vitality. First up, we have quinoa, a remarkable ancient grain that's often referred to as a complete protein. But what does that mean? Well, unlike many other plant-based protein sources, quinoa contains all 9 essential amino acids that our bodies need to thrive. This makes it an excellent choice for muscle growth and repair, especially for those of you hitting the gym or staying active. Additionally, quinoa is rich in fiber, iron, magnesium, and various vitamins, making it a true nutritional superstar. Next on our list is spinach. Besides being a fantastic source of iron, which is crucial for maintaining healthy energy levels, spinach is also packed with magnesium. Magnesium plays a vital role in muscle function, making it an essential nutrient for those striving to achieve vegan gains. When it comes to healthy fats and protein, nuts and seeds take center stage. Think almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds, just to name a few. These nutritional powerhouses offer a balanced combination of protein, healthy fats, and essential vitamins and minerals. Nuts and seeds are not only great for satisfying your hunger between meals, but they also support muscle recovery and overall heart health. A sprinkle of chia seeds on your morning oatmeal or a handful of mixed nuts as a snack can go a long way in boosting your vegan gains journey. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries are not only delicious, but they are also bursting with antioxidants. Antioxidants are like your body's defense against free radicals, which can lead to inflammation and cell damage. By incorporating a variety of berries into your diet, you're helping your muscles recover faster and reducing the risk of oxidative stress. Whether you enjoy them in a smoothie, mixed into your morning cereal, or as a refreshing snack, berries are a small but mighty ally in your journey towards vegan gains. Now, let's explore 2 plant-based protein powerhouses, tofu and tempeh. Tofu, made from soybeans, is incredibly versatile and can be grilled, sautéed, stir-fried, or blended into smoothies. Tempeh, on the other hand, is fermented soy and boasts a nutty flavor and firm texture. These foods are not only rich in protein, but also contain all 9 essential amino acids. They are perfect for crafting delicious vegan versions of your favorite dishes, from stir-fries to sandwiches and beyond. Until next time, stay curious and keep making a difference. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode. If you'd like to find out more about the impact of just one cow on the environment, check out this video next.